format. We know about all these fields, these encapsulated fields, PLCP, preamble, file header, MAC header, after that HCS. We know about all these things, right? Here the main content will be in this payload. Okay, so in payload we have three fields: security header, application payload, MIC. So security header also normal. In that security header, normally we will have four subfields: SFN, secure frame number, encryption offset, reserved, and temporal key ID. So these are also four sub. So the actual content of this BOS descriptor will be here. First, it has to start with the WSB header. Next, the length of that descriptor type. We know that so many descriptors are there, right? So each descriptor will have its own identifier. So it has to tell that one here. Then total length, and these are all number of device capabilities.
The different descriptor are different sizes. Which sizes?
Yeah, each descriptor will have its own length. It's not necessary that all the descriptors should have same length and all, right? Okay, here,
This is all located in the actual data. That means payload.
right,
Okay.
descriptor. And here you can see this is ultra wideband device capability descriptor. Suppose it is sending this descriptor, ultra wideband device capability descriptor. In that case, what are all the subfields it will have means first bay length, then descriptor type, device capability type, bitmap attributes, then phi rates. Phi rates means this transmission rates. Then T, this is somewhat about time frequency interleaving takes power information, those things. And similarly frequency, fixed frequency interleaving, transmit power, band group, everything. So it will tell all those details in this device capability descriptor, ultra wideband device capability descriptor. Okay,
Frame slots.
not getting
My,
explain in
my doubt is
board.
what is the MMC size? That means frame size.
Mm, it's variable.
Variable. Depend on the presence on the host. Device.
Devices, how many devices, and device transaction and all.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just you look at here, you will get more clear picture. Here, this is MMC, right? In that MMC, first we will have MMC header and all those things. So the content of this MMC is so many IEs. Look at here, IE 0 to IEN. We will have up to this much IEs. It's variable, right? We will have only one, or we may have n number of IEs. So depends on that, MMC width will vary, right? Okay, next here for MMC, what is the application, the wireless USB application code? 0100. Then channel time is indicates when MMC transmission starts from the host, at what time this MMC starts.
What is the wireless USB application code?
Yeah, on the MAC layer, so many applications will
Media
write, right?
access slot.
Yeah.
So many applications.
Yeah, so many
The media
applications.
access slot is located in the data link layer.
Yeah, are you asking about YSI data link layer? Okay, so that data link layer is divided into two layers, two sub layers, right?
MAC layer and
Yeah, MAC layer and one more layer, DLL, data link layer, right? So now we are speaking about a MAC layer. Okay, so in that MAC layer, above that MAC layer, so many applications will sit. One of the application is wireless USB. So for every application will have its own number. For wireless USB, this is this number.
okay, so wireless USB used in the MAC layer. That time we will put a constant 0100H. For another application, for another specified keys.
Yeah, it will have its own unique number. Then if you look at IEs, this is what we are going to discuss now. Okay, so this is the outer view of where our IE will going to sit. So IE will be here. The content of IE will be the length of that IE, ID of that IE, then the information. Okay.
The actual information.
IE related. At
Yeah.
what time the device has to start.
Okay, okay.
So those
okay, okay.
information will be in
IE is
information.
there. This is host or this is device.